I'm Jordan, and you're watching Fixbook.
So today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your alternator in your Ford Taurus. This one's an 88. Okay guys, and here's the tools I use in today's project. You got a 3/8 ratchet, about a 4-inch extension, 16, 13, 11, 10, an 8mm socket, a 16 and 13mm combination wrench, and of course you'll want your new alternator. So with all that said, we'll go ahead and begin today's project. Alright, so this is our alternator. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is loosen up these two bolts. You got a 16mm, and just get them on them like that. And then we've got a 13mm, and you're just going to get on this guy and lefty loosen them. And then you've got a 10mm right here, and by spinning this guy left, you're going to be loosening up the belt. So you're going to loosen that guy up so you can go ahead and get this belt off and just kind of set him off to the side. And then all we've got left is 2 bolts, 2 connectors. We'll pull this guy out and put the new one in. And the first thing you're going to want to do is come over to your battery, remove the negative battery terminal, and set him off to the side. That's going to ensure we do a safe job. Okay guys, and the next thing we'll do here is this connector. You're going to kind of squeeze and pull. If you find that difficult, you can just use your pair of pliers and kind of pull up. If you damage these wires or anything on your new alternator or on the old one, it's just got these little connectors. So if you get like if you have a set of connectors, you can make your own connector. Don't worry about this guy. But I salvaged my wires when pulling this off. I thought I might rip them off. And then this guy right here is a 10mm nut. You're going to remove that nut and then just pull this wire, and then we're going to set our wire off to the side. Then we're going to finish removing our 2 fasteners, and then we're going to see about pulling this guy off. Alright, the next thing you're going to want to do is, in order for this bolt to clear, and probably that one too, is there's an 8mm bolt sitting right here. Go ahead and remove that bolt, and then this guy will just kind of pull up, and then you can pick them up, and now we have clearance for our 2 bolts there. So I'm just going to set this guy back, and then I'll show you about if there's anything else to do. Okay guys, the next thing you're going to do once you remove your 2 fasteners is we have this piece right here. It's going to pull out. You're going to kind of wiggle your alternator around and just wiggle this guy out. We're going to set him off to the side. We'll install him when we get your new one in. And then we should be able to pick up on this guy and set him off to the side like that right there. Now we're going to install the new one. The install should be pretty simple. It should be the reverse the removal. If I run into any problems, I'll let you know and I'll give you a technique to work with that. So we'll see that here in just a bit.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you would just like it, subscribe, and leave comments and stuff like that, that'd be great. Thanks guys. See y'all next time.